Workforce development, professional development, we are the department that houses all the training for the clients that we come into contact with here at Step Forward. We provide training from the client that have minimal skills to the client that has moderate skill sets. We felt that the programming and the direction of the classes that we developed would help clients because technology is continuing to grow at an accelerated pace, and there's going to be a group of folks left behind because they don't understand how these things integrate together. No matter what your skill level is, if you're looking to get it a little bit stronger, we have a service for you. It is Workforce Development Month, and we want everyone to know that we will be available at all of our neighborhood opportunity centers every Thursday to get your information and get you enrolled and give you more information about the services we provide.